I'm Amy from Doodlelog Primitives, and today I'm going to show you the new LED light tracer pad that I got, and I'm going to try it out with a few different types of fabric to see what it works with. Let's get started. This is the light tracing pad that I got. It measures, the white part measures about 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters, which translates to about 12 inches by 8 inches. So to turn it on, you push the button here and turn it off with the same button just by pushing it. And once it's on, you can push the button and hold it to make the light get dimmer, or push and hold to make the light brighter. So I'm going to go with the brightest light, and I'm going to try a couple patterns. I have two here. This one is a punch needle pattern, and the lines are not very dark. And this one here, the lines are a little bit darker. So I'm going to try it with both and see what works well. So first I will try it with a white. That works pretty good. I think you could definitely trace through that. And there's the natural weaver's cloth. That was white weaver's cloth. Natural weaver's cloth. And this is a hand-dyed gray weaver's cloth. I don't know if you can tell. You can see it through there, but it is quite a bit more challenging to see. Then I will try it with the lighter lined one. Start with the white. You can definitely see that through that weaver's cloth. And the natural colored weaver's cloth shows through just fine. And here's the hand dyed again. That would be pretty challenging. I don't think I could trace that. Then I'm also going to see if I can see through on some monk's cloth in case you want to do some rug hooking with monk's cloth, or rug punching. And looks like you can see through that. Oop, it's turned itself off. And let's try that with the other pattern too. I can see that through there. I'm going to try one more thing. I have some primitive linen that you could use for rug hooking. If you're doing a rug hooking pattern, you'd probably need to move it around several times. So I would attach the pattern to your fabric rather than attaching it to the light. See that through it? It's not very dark, but you can see it. And that is easy to see through. So an idea, if you have a pattern that has lighter lines, you could go over the lines with the Sharpie marker to make them darker so that you'd be able to see through easier. You can find the link to the light tracing pad that I got in the description below. I'll see you next time. Bye!